Here's a little treat just for you.
Oh, goody, thank you. I brought you these lollipops.
My tooth hurts too much to eat them right now.
Guess what I learned today, Mr. Panda? If I pedal really fast, I almost feel like I can fly.
That sounds like fun, little one.
Whee! This is so fun! You got it! Keep going! Woohoo! Don't worry, Piggy. Everything is going to be all right. Does it hurt right here?
There is nothing to worry about. Everything looks perfectly healthy.
Here you go. Just swallow it quickly.
Bletch, that tastes awful.
Don't worry. You'll feel better soon.
Get back here! That's my sandwich! You can't outrun us!
Watch me!